Monday was wash day for many rural wifeys. This was her state-of-the-art washing equipment, the tub, washboard and mangle.
Give them a good wash on the right side first.
And how often would a washing take place about a fair?
It's just a washing once a week. Used to be Monday was washing day, and then maybe weekend and Tuesday. And just the different days for doing things.
And that's just a wooden tub.
Just a wooden tub and a washing board.
And that would have been a gay hard job.
Well, but I just did a whole day. I was supposed to be a washing. If you'd a lot of men to wash still.
And would the both the lads have washed their own clothes, or would they have to?
No. They said long ago they had all maids.
Aye.
Fair houses had all maids, and that would have been their job to wash all it.
And the other name for a maid would be a skiffy, or would?
Skiffy.
Aye.
No. I'll put that down there and then I'll need to get some hot water. This is just beginning to get a bit cold. With this water, I'm going to put down some clean water for rinsing.
So what's this you're doing now,
Just
Sheila?
rinsing them now. Just getting that final water. And I'm going to put them through the mangle.
The washing would be dried on the line. The pegs would be made and supplied by the tinkies. It come round that area at least once or twice a year. A wooden wrister would push the clays rope up into the air to catch the wind and keep the washing off the grass.